methodology. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is policy research? Policy research is a systemic approach to investigating, analyzing, and providing recommendations to address specific, please mark me, to address specific public policy issues. It integrates theoretical insight and empirical data to guide decision making and improve policy outcomes. Now, what are the principles of this policy research? We have relevance. Relevance ensures that policy research addresses pressing societal problems and aligns with the needs of policymakers as well as stakeholders. Then objectivity. Policy researchers must present evidence without favoring any particular ideology, stakeholder, or outcome. This is very critical. And now, rigor. One of the principles is rigor. This emphasizes the importance of robust research methodologies to ensure reliability and validity of findings. Then transparency. This is also very critical. This fosters trust and accountability using transparency. Relevant information are being shared, including potential conflicts of interest. Then timelines. This is also very critical because
please.
delayed research can lead to missed opportunities and irrelevant findings. Then participatory approach. We have ethics. We have pragmatism, which talks about policies that must ensure that research recommendations are realistic and actionable, considering the constraints policy makers face, such as budgetary limits, and so then interdisciplinary approach. Policy issues and competency will agree with me, and multifaceted often requires insight from multiple disciplines to provide comprehensive understanding. Then, of course, adaptability, communicability, right? Effective communication in policy research ensures that research findings are accessible and understandable to diverse audiences, of course, including policymakers, stakeholders, and the general public, right? Now to the theoretical perspective that lies behind this methodology. This book, this one, we chose and identified systems theory as the most important theoretical perspective because of its ability to bring together other societal elements. Then there are other theoretical perspectives, such as positivism, interpretivism, critical theory, right? Pragmatism, and behaviorism. Now, the justification of the ontology epistemology that informs the theoretical perspective. So, what is ontology and policy research? I hope you're following, right? Are you with me? Yeah, thank you very much. Ontology deals with the nature of reality and what exists. So in policy research, it questions what policy problems and the solution are and how they are defined. We look at the objectivist ontology, constructivist ontology. Then for epistemology in research, in policy research particularly. It concerns about knowledge. Epistemology concerns how knowledge is acquired, validated and utilized, right? It shapes how policy researchers generate evidence and make recommendations. And there are various forms of epistemology as regards to policy research. This includes positive epistemology, which refers to a philosophical approach to knowledge that emphasizes empirical evidence, objectivity, and the use of scientific method of understanding reality. For example, evaluating the effectiveness of a policy intervention using